Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you another amazing method, and I never ever seen advanced tool before, and this will be the game-changing opportunity. Before I show you everything, I just asked to write me an intro paragraph to create YouTube video about Chat GPT. Hello and welcome to our video on Chat GPT. Chat GPT, or Chat Generative Pre-Training Transformer, is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool that allows users to have conversational interactions with a computer. This technology is quickly gaining popularity as it allows for seamless and natural communication with digital assistants and chatbots. In this video, we will delve into the details of Chat GPT and discuss how it works, its applications, and its potential impact on the future of communication and technology. Stay tuned to learn more about this exciting and innovative tool. This is amazing, and this is one of the best AI tool for you to do any of your work without typing skill. All you need to do is create articles with Chat GPT, and convert this article into human-generated text with secret method means you can also rank these articles on Google. Then we can publish the same article on Medium.com and Quora with adding an affiliate link to earn commissions. Medium.com blogs also rank on Google. If you want to make $2,000 to $3,000 per week by doing only 1 hour work a day, so do not skip any part of this video and stay till the end to learn how to do it easiest method. You can also do all these steps from your smartphone. Before watching this, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon buttons for more money-making videos on time. If you do not know about Chat GPT, in short, Chat GPT is a GPT-3 based natural language processing tool developed by OpenAI that allows users to have human-like conversations with an AI chatbot. It can write YouTube descriptions and scripts. It can write content, it can generate AI art, it can code, it can help you decorate your home, and much more. Firstly, go to ChatGPT OpenAI tool for creating an account on ChatGPT, link in the description. Go and sign up onto this website with a Google account. Now again, go to this page. The first step is how to get blog topics in your niche. For this, we need to do some keyword research to find low competition keywords in your niche to rank on Google. For this, go to agesupertools.com. This is the best free SEO tool to find low competition keywords, link in this description. Go and create an account on this website. After creating an account, go to the SEO section and click on this keyword research tool to find keywords. Now enter your niche keyword. For example, I enter the affiliate marketing keyword, solve this Google CAPTCHA, and click on search the keywords in a few seconds. This free tool provides you with a list of keywords with providing search volume, competition, and CPC information. Pick up those keywords which have a high search volume but competition is too low. For example, this affiliate marketing Amazon keyword has low competition. Pick up this keyword and create an article around this keyword with Chat GPT tool. For this, go to this website. Simply search this query, provide the blog topic titles, then add your niche keyword and press the enter key and a couple of seconds. This tool generates 10 different topic ideas related to your niche. Click on this regenerate button to get more different ideas. The second step is how to get blog outlines. Select any one of the title and search this term. Provide the blog outline of this titled in double quotes, add your idea title, then press the enter key and a few minutes. This tool automatically generates an outline of this idea. The third step is how to get outline content. Simply copy this first blog outline. Simply search this term, provide the blog section of this outline. Paste the first outline here and then press enter. ChatGPT automatically writes the introduction of the article in a few seconds, then copies this content from ChatGPT, creates a new Word document file, paste this content here, adds a heading, for example, introduction, bold this heading, and selects this text to heading number 3. Now go to this page. Again, type this search term, provide the blog section of this outline. Scroll up and copy this second outline of this blog. Scroll down and paste the outline here, then press the enter key. Wait for a few seconds. Go to the Word document file, add a second heading list of 10 side hustles, select this text, click on this button and select text to heading number 3. Bold these all headings. Now go to ChatGPT dashboard. Wait a few minutes, copy this entire second outline content from this tool and paste it here. Repeat this step again and again for all other headings to write a full blog article. Now, after creating a full blog with ChatGPT, it's time to convert the article into human-generated blog for if you want to rank this blog on Google. For this, copy this content, go to google.com and search to play checker article rewriter. Click on this first website. Scroll down and paste the content here. Solve this Google CAPTCHA and click on the rewrite article button. Now, after a few minutes, this tool automatically rewrites the article. Clicks on this button. Copy this blog from the start to the end, goes to the Word document file. Select all text with Control and paste the rewritten content here. Now change the article font size to 12 and adjust the heading size to 3. For example, select this heading, adjust the size, and bold this heading. Do the same step for all other headings and text. Now, after this step, check this blog whether it's human-generated or not. For this, copy a few blog lines and go to huggingface.co. This is an AI content detector tool. Paste the content here. Wait for a few seconds, can see this article. 95% rail means you can rank this article on Google. You know this medium.com article also rank on Google. Now, creating writer account on medium.com. Creating an account on Medium is super easy. After creating an account, click on the right button. Copy the blog title from the document and paste it here. Now again, go to a Word document. Copy the entire article and paste it on the Medium. Now add an image to this blog. For this, click on this plus button. Select the image from your computer or smartphone. Click on Add Alt Text and add blog keywords here. For example, Side Hustle 10 Side Hustle Ideas Without Investment. Click on this Save button. Now add multiple affiliate links in your blog to earn commissions for adding an affiliate link. Select any text, click on this link button. Add your affiliate link here. For example, digistore24.com/affiliate. If anyone clicks on this affiliate link, you earn a commission. Now click on this Publish button. Add 5 blog topics so readers know what your story is about. For example, I add Side Hustle tips, make money online, earn money online, online business, etc. Click on this Publish button and you can see article is finally published on medium.com. And if your article rank on Google, you will earn thousands of dollars. After this, create an account on Quora. Click on Create a Post and publish the same article here to get more exposure and earn more money. With this method, you can earn thousands of dollars in 7 days without investment by using only the Chat GPT tool. Create more articles around your niche by doing some SEO. Your articles easily rank on Google, and you can also earn money by Medium Partner Program and affiliate marketing. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like video and share with your friends. Before end up, please smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more money-making videos on time.